Hi everyone, welcome to Digital Journey. In this video, we will discuss about like on-page SEO versus off-page SEO. In this, we will discuss about the type of like what are the main difference between on-page SEO and the off-page SEO. So on-page SEO focus on optimizing your website content. Then compared to the, you can see that clearly. On-page SEO focus on optimizing your website content and structure, while off-page SEO focus on improving your website authority through external factors. So what are the on-page? The activity involved in on-page SEO is the content quality, title tag, keyword uses, URL optimization, internal links, image alt text, mobile friendliness. So these are the some main activity that will be involved in the on-page SEO. If we see in the simple word, then we can definitely say that on-page SEO focus on optimizing the content of your website. It can be title tag, meta tag, heading tag, description tag, content, image alt text. So the main focus that will be optimizing only on the website. And in off-page SEO, the activity involved outside of your website, like there will be no work on your website. All the activity will happen on outside of the website. It can be building backlinks, social media engagement, guest posting, influencer marketing, public relation. So this we can say that the main difference between on-page SEO and off-page SEO is the on-page focus on optimizing your website content and structure, while off-page SEO focus on improving your website authority. If the website authority will be high, then ranking in the search result will be high on the keywords. So as we can see that if we will see more difference between on-page and SEO, on-page SEO and off-page SEO, the first one is the control. And in the control, we can say that on-page SEO is more control, as you have direct control over your website content and structure. Off-page SEO involve external factors, so you have limited controls. In the on-page SEO, we can do any kind of the things, like the complete access will be on our hands. But in off-page SEO, the activity we will perform on the another website, different website, so we will have the limited control. The second one is the focus. On-page SEO focus on optimizing element within your website, such as content, meta tags, mobile friendliness. Off-page SEO focus on external factors. It can be backlinks, social media. Like in on-page SEO, we will work on our website. It can be optimizing the title, description, like content, meta tags, and mobile friendliness. But in compared to the off-page SEO, we will focus on the external factors. The external factor can be creation of the backlinks, social media, brand awareness. So this can be multiple off-page factors. Now the second part is the impact. In the impact, we can say that on-page SEO tends to have more immediate result, as change are required reflected in search engine result performance. Off-page SEO typically has a longer term impact, gradually building authority and trust that improve ranking over time. So we can say that in on-page SEO we can do the instant work. Basically, if we have to change the on title, so we can instantly change. But if we create the backlinks on another website, depending on the website, that can be take too much time. It can take 3 months, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, according to the website. So in terms of the submission, so we can say that on-page SEO has the more impact to immediate result. Suppose if we change the meta title and description today, so that particular meta title and description will be reflected changes. The fourth one is the content. On-page SEO include optimizing the quality of the content. It can be text, it can be image and video. Off-page involves creating content and earning backlinks from another website. Like in the on-page optimization, we will optimize our website content. The website content can be main content part, heading part, title part, description part. But in case of the off-page SEO, we will creating the content. Once we will creating the content, we will get the backlinks. We will earning the backlinks from another website. The last one is the reputation. Off-page SEO involves managing your online reputation. This can include influencer marketing, such as partnering with the industry expert. Basically, if we talk about the reputation purpose, if we create the backlinks on another different website, so from that we will get the reputation, we will get the authority towards our website. So from that ranking on our website will be higher. So this is the main difference between on-page SEO and off-page SEO. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. And the main part you can also see here, on-page SEO involves optimizing element within a website such as content quality, meta tags, mobile friendliness, directly impacting ranking. Off-page SEO focus on external factors like authoritative, external links, social engagement, brand mention to enhance site credibility and authority. So from this difference we have clearly seen, in on-page SEO we will focus on creation and optimizing our website pages. We will focus on optimizing our website page, and in off-page SEO activity we will focus on creating the backlinks on different websites. From that we can gain the authority of our website. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question you can ask in the comment section. Have a nice day. Take care.